Alright. It looks like... Oh, shit! Oh, okay. Phew! Oh, dodging now isn't dodging. Look, you actually dodge with the chain. Which I did not expect. Get the fuck out of Hades' throne room. Guess we gotta swim. Fuck that, go against the current. And there's nothing over there, damn it. Alright. I killed Hades, I'm the god of the dead now, boy. What the fuck? What am I supposed to do here? Oh, I'm confused. There's nothing here. And I can't go this way. Look, it's a dead end. Oh, wait. Okay, maybe I'm supposed to go this way. Or not. Aha, you can go down. Of course, I didn't fucking know that because the game didn't tell me. Hades Helm, a prize position of Hades. Beat the game to use this item. Hell, oh, there's his body. You disgusting blob. Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you. I got you good. Yes, I did. I got him good. Soul summon. Summon forth the soul to attack your enemies. Oh shit.
With them, summon cursed souls to attack your enemies.
Oh, completely missed, but okay. Big ass punch. Comes out of nowhere. Hey, you guys want some? Have some. Yes. Oh. You got fucked up. Blades and claws. That's cool. Oh, you can change right in the middle of a combo. Alright. Look at these swimming souls. Doo-doo-doo. They look like wet clothing. Swimming with the souls. Oh yeah. Like a little tadpole. Swimming upstream with the bass. What the fuck's here? Can we go up? Here we go. Where am I? Looks like I'm getting out of fucking hell since I killed Hades. Uh-oh, I'm gonna let the soul swim free. Who let the souls out? Woo! Who let the souls out? Woo! Oh, look.
Kratos, can it be?
Yes, I killed that motherfucker.
Does this mean Lord Hades rules no longer?
The god of the underworld is dead.
Dun dun dun.
Hades deserved to suffer, though I thought his death impossible.
Olympians overestimate themselves.
Interesting.
Oh, Jesus. No close-up needed. Holy crap.
You need the soul of a god to use the Hyperion Gate, Kratos. And that one has not been used for centuries. I'm sure it's broken, otherwise I would have seen my beautiful...
Beautiful what?
You know, Kratos, I wasn't always like this. A monster.
I used to be pretty.
Once the most prized craftsman in all of Olympus. Zeus rewarded me with my marriage to the beautiful Aphrodite.
Ooh, that's right.
Hera bragged of my talent. But the day you killed Ares was the day Zeus became the fiend you now know. Worst of all, he took my beloved daughter, Pandora.
Pandora?
My reason for living.
Why was he such a dick?
I spent my time here trying to recreate her. I failed again and again. She still lives, Spartan. I can feel it. You, Kratos. You can bring her back to me.
Of course.
Child is not my concern.
But surely you can understand. You were once a father, too.
Huh. I'm sure he can give you something in return, I mean. Hopefully not a blowjob. Can I open this door now? Oh, the door's open now. Oh no, it's not. What the fuck? I killed Hades. Why can't I open the door? This is bullshit. I fucking ripped the dude, killed the dude, now I can't open the door? Whatever. Well, I guess I'll save. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Obviously I'm supposed to get his daughter somehow and then come back.